All right. I always wanted to speak in front of a mic before. This is CafeCosmos. This is a cafe management game set in outer space. It does a whole bunch of things. It has its own demand simulation engine, but overall it just looks nice and fluffy and makes you want to play it. So anyway, we're honored to be here. We love everyone here. So yeah, this is CafeCosmos. Super stoked to be showing you guys.
It's a chaotic era.
I always wanted to try stand-up, so I mean, I guess this is my chance, eh? Oh. Wait, keyboard assistant, what is this? All right, rewind. All right, y'all. So yeah, my dudes, this is CafeCosmos. As you can see right here, we're building the sickest cafe. Here we're about to make a smoothie. So we can do that right by just putting our smoothie inside of the blender, as one usually does. We can water plants. We can take care of animals. We've got different beings that actually beam from different parts in space to come to your cafe. So this is a Japanese bear, one of the many parts of the space that we have yet to conquer. And here you have different trees. Now you can interact with these different items. You can collect wood, you can collect fruits, you can expand this cafe, and you can actually strategically pick the recipes that you are going to cook to earn more than others, right? You can even strategically pick your ovens, and all of this is actually changing dynamically on time, right? So if everyone starts using your oven, that oven's going to go down in its power, right? So you have to strategically try to figure out what the other players are going to be doing, and we do this try to do this in the most user-friendly interface possible. Overall, we just want everything to look beautiful all the time. Here you see our new quest system that we just introduced. So now you can do daily quests. So for example, in this scenario, we're doing growing 5 tomatoes a day. So this allows you to check in on your cafe every day, do different quests, try new things out. This is our new store right here. So using the cafe points that you earn in CafeCosmos, you can buy different things. We've got a ton of new items that we're adding pretty much every month of the game. And yeah, dudes, this is CafeCosmos. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll be giving another talk later.
Woo! All right. Thank you, Nico. Next up, we have DDY from the Dark Forest Artron community. They're presenting their recent effort porting one of